Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Google Doogle. Mind the bad boons. This Shark Spotters campaign or management system of the safety of our surfers down there is a private initiative, and it's one of a kind in the world. It's the first one for South Africa too. Now, as we fly down A.B. Bailey's grave lookout point, we come to some fascinating architectural heritage sites. Appearing now is the fabulous Graceland. Yeah, Graceland, originally named Watergate, and was designed by William Grant for John Garlick, the department store owner in Cape Town. Many will remember Garlicks from the old days. Coming up on the left below us is Casa Labia. It's a palatial house and estate, formerly known as the Fort, designed in 1929 by Fred Glenn for Count Labia, then the Italian First Minister in South Africa. And Glennie designed many other well-known buildings in Cape Town, including the Board of Executors building in 1929 at the corner of Adderley and Wales Streets in Cape Town City. And he's also the founder of Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. I found that rather interesting. If you love Cape Town and like learning about its rich heritage, please like and subscribe and follow this channel. I'll keep you updated on further developments and insights. Thank you. Bye.